What is variation? The concept of variation is that the differences can be seen among the individuals of the same species. Like we see difference in height, difference in skin color, difference in eye colors. These differences can be due to the genotypes or the genetic makeup of that species, or it can be due to the environmental factors which affect the variation. If we see the snail shells here, we can see variation. All these shells, they belong to same species. We can see the variation in the individuals of the same species of the snail shells. We can see difference in their color. We can see presence or absence of the bands on the snail shell. We can also see the number of bands on some of the shells. The number of bands, they are large, while on some of the shells their number is small. Here we can see some of the snail shells, they are yellow in color, some they are red in color. On some snails we can see there is large number of bands, while on some of the snails we see that there is less number of bands on their shell. So these shells, they belong to same species, but even then they have the variation being the individuals of the same species. Another example about the variation, here we can see about the tiger moths. These are the 3 tiger moths and they belong to same species, but even then we can see variation in these 3 tiger moths. We will see that how they have the variations. If we see the uppermost tiger moth is a larger one than the lower 2. And other thing that we can see, dark bands on the abdomen differ in numerous ways. Here we can see the dark bands on the abdomen. These dark bands, they have variation among all 3 tiger moths. As well as we can see the pattern of the forewings quite different. These are the forewings. If we see their pattern, in this case they have a different pattern, while if we see the lower 2 ones, they have different pattern of wings on the wings. In addition to this, we can also see differences on number and shape of black spots which are present on the hind wings. Variation can also be seen among the individuals of the humans. You are quite familiar with the variations we can see in our surroundings. Look here, in this case we can see variation can be seen in the skin color, variation can be seen in their hair color, variation can be seen in the curliness of the hairs, variation can be seen in the eye color, and variation can also be seen in their sex. If we conclude about the variation, we can conclude that variation can be seen among the individuals of same species. This variation can be due to the genetic makeup of that species of the individuals. This variation can be due to the environmental effect, and this variation can also be due to both, partly by the genetic makeup and partly by the environmental effect.